have a dedicated time frame for each and every task. Understand this, listen to me very carefully. You know what? You need to create you need to create a knowledge base for you. Note down the term, a knowledge base for you. और वो हमेशा काम आएगा आपका नॉलेज बेस, वो हमेशा होने वाला है आपका नॉलेज बेस. अब नॉलेज बेस के बेसिस पे आपको क्या क्या चीजें करनी है, समझाओ मेरे को, ध्यान से सुनो मेरी बात. नॉलेज बेस पे आपको क्या क्या करना है. आपकी कंपनी के जितने भी इंपॉर्टेंट टास्क होते हैं, ऑल द इंपॉर्टेंट टास्क दैट आर अ पार्ट ऑफ योर सेल्स प्रोसेस, you need to have a dedicated time frame allocated to each one of them. For example, कम्युनिकेशन मास्टरी प्रोग्राम में जो हम लाइव ट्रेनिंग्स करते हैं, वो लाइव ट्रेनिंग्स ऑलमोस्ट एज इट इज अपलोड होती हैं. गॉट दैट? तो उसको अपलोड करने का जो एंटायर प्रोसेस है, दैट टेक्स अबाउट 35 to 40 मिनट्स. सेल्स मास्टर क्लास प्रोग्राम में हम हर एक टॉपिक को अलग अलग वीडियो मॉड्यूल्स में कट करके अपलोड करते हैं, सो दैट टाइम फ्रेम गोज ऑन टू अबाउट 20 आवर्स. इतना टाइम लगता है पूरी ट्रेनिंग को कट करके, एडिट करके, चेक करके, अपलोड करने में. सो वी नीड टू हैव अ डेडिकेटेड टाइम फ्रेम फॉर एवरी टास्क दैट वी आर रिक्वायर्ड टू डू. एक सेल्स कॉल में टीम मेंबर्स को कन्वर्ट करने में 20 मिनट्स लगते हैं approximately. It requires about 20 minutes for my team members to get to somebody on a call and convert that individual. During my webinars, that time frame reduces to just about 5 minutes. So we need to have a dedicated time frame for every task that is allocated. Calls between the webinars, 5 minutes. Calls after the webinars, 20 minutes. On the closing day, maybe 17 minutes. Then on an average, we need to interact with an individual 4 times so that we can get the sales done. So team members should have the exact time frame. Okay, this is the amount that I need to put. तभी तो आप अपने टीम मेंबर्स को टारगेट दे पाओगे ना, कि आपको एक वीडियो एडिट करने में 2 घंटा लगता है, आप एक दिन में 10 घंटा काम करते हो, तो आपको मेरे को YouTube के 5 वीडियोस एडिट करके देने हैं, या फिर YouTube के 2 वीडियोस एडिट करके देने हैं, 5 वीडियोस रील्स के एडिट करके देने हैं, और एक वीडियो IGTV का एडिट करके देना है. गिविंग यू एन एग्जांपल. So you need to have a dedicated time frame. And when you will have a dedicated time frame, what you are going to do is, again, at the end of the month, you will monitor whether each and every task that was done by your team was done within that dedicated time frame or not. If not, some deductions would be there. If yes, some extra bonus in the form of extra monetary incentives should be given to them. तभी तो आपकी सारी चीजें streamline होंगी ना. Understand, it's not just about tackling the objections. It's not just about asking the right questions. It is about getting the systems right. You get your systems right, and you would then realize that your sales would automatically increase. How many of you found this interesting? First of all, interesting, right? Good. And I want everybody to be participative. Come on. Great. Now my next question is, how many of you were not even aware about these things? How many of you were not aware? Type N if you were not aware. N. Type N if you were not aware and you were not doing it. So many people. People, I guarantee you, I'll give you more information, more content than any other sales program, than any other MBA program. That's my promise. And that's why I told you, send me over the topics. I'll prepare the content accordingly. भर देंगे इतना नॉलेज, इतना कंटेंट, इतना इंफॉर्मेशन कि आपको जो कुछ भी चाहिए आपके सेल्स को बढ़ाने के लिए, वो सारी चीजें हम आपको प्रोवाइड करके देंगे. So from now, create your knowledge base. Okay, this is the task, this much information, this much task, this much time frame will be provided so that this particular task is completed within this time frame. You got to do it, ladies and gentlemen. You get it done, and then you would realize that you would absolutely love it. That's important. Got it? So have a dedicated time frame, and once you have a dedicated time frame for things, you would then realize that this is so very helpful, and it is absolutely getting you the right results and opportunities for yourself. Is this clear? All right. Now the task for you is, why should you have a dedicated time frame for all your activities? Why should you have a dedicated time frame for all your activities? Please note it down.